Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here and welcome back for another highlight. And this is the part 2 of the tutorial on how to play the Uno cards. Particularly, the McDonald's Uno anime cards. So we're done playing the Uno regular cards. So ngayon, we're going to play the Uno flip cards. So let's start! First muna, pakita ko yung cards of this My Hero Academia Bakugo. Yan. So, let's check muna. The first card, yung metallic, or I mean the, what do you call this? Hologram card. Hanapin natin. Parang wala. Or nandito. Oh, here. Okay. So, hindi ako familiar anong tawag. Sino to? But, i-run through ko na yung mga cards. Here's Midoroki, Bakugo, Ochako. Ochako pala siya, hindi Ochago. So, yan. Yan. So, may new characters versus si Sanji. Kamukha ni Sanji. Diba? So, yan. So, here's the light side. Bakit ko ba nabanggit yung light side for the fifth card? Wait lang, pakita ko muna lahat. The yellow, green, and blue, and red. Okay. Then, since sa back part, may dark side. Nako. So, what's the difference? So, ito yung difference ng regular and the fifth card. So, may power yung light, mas mabigat yung power ng dark. So, yan. Pero before that, check muna natin yung power ng action card ng special hologram. So, ito is Your Power is Mine. All for one can be take anyone's power that he wants. Swap your hand with any player you choose. This card is a wild card, so you choose the color that continues to play. Oh, okay. So kapag nilagay mo to, like for example, nilagay mo to sa sa discard pile. So you're the one to tell anong color yung next. So sabi mo blue. So blue na yung next player. So ganon. So pa-left po siya ha. So yan. And meron rin lang akong gagawin later on na correction or I mean addition doon sa pag-start ng game na to. And for the next one, here's the Spy Family, si Anya. So here's Anya metallic or hologram card. So before we check the power of this card, pakita muna natin yung cards ni Anya Cliff. So yan. So here's si Yorto na, si Lloyd yung isa, si Bond. Yan, yun lang kilala ko yung family ni Anya. So pare-parehas naman yan. So iba-iba yung color, yellow, blue, red. Masimple talaga yung cards ni ni Spy Family. And of course, ito, napakita ko na to kung paano siya dun sa first part. So, better watch the first part rin. Okay? Yan. Then, same lang naman talaga ito. So, may naiba lang na action cards. Yan. So, later on, makikita natin yan. Okay. So, let's set this aside muna. And let's start with this one. Okay. And, hindi ko pa na-check yung power ng Anya card. So, Papa is a spy. Use Anya's telepathy card to read another people's minds. Choose a player and look at their hand. Then choose the color that continues play. Okay. So, pag nalagay mo to sa discard pile, mamimili ka ng player and look and titingnan mo yung hawak nilang cards. Then choose the color that continues play. Oh, okay. So, meaning, like for example, sa next player, chinek mo yung hawak niya, nakita mo walang color red. Sabihin mo, color red. Di ba? Para kumuha siya ng another card. Madagdagan yung hawak niya. So, basically, the rules of this game, yan, while binabalasa ko yung card na to, ang rules ng game na to is, dapat, paunahan kayo maka-zero na hawak na cards. Yun, okay? So, again, ganito na yung pagbalasa ko kasi hindi ako marunong magbalasa yung ginaganon-ganon. So, yan. So, pakita ko rin yung difference between the light and the dark. So, make sure pare-pares yung dark and light, ha? Para hindi maano siya. Hindi magulo. Okay, here's the back and the light. Okay? So, yan. So, 2-player ulit tayo. Yan, nabalasa ko na. Okay na? Wait, sa pa? Okay, okay na yan. So, first muna, 2-player. Kukuha siya sa draw pile. 1, 2. Yan. So, 1 player 1, player 2. So, mangyayari for this one, si player 1, number 3 nakuha niya. Ay, hindi. Oh, okay. So, walang value to. Or may points to eh. So, kuha na lang ulit tayo ng panibago. Para hindi na natin pahirapan yung sarili natin. Sa light tayo titingin. 6. And ito. So, doon tayo sa digit na lang. So, 6 siya. So, walang number. So, ito. Kasi kung sino mataas, yun po pala yung dealer for the cards. Meaning, siya yung magbabalasa. Yan, so, si player 2 yung magbabalasa ng card. Okay. So, siya yung nakakuha ng cards. Babalasan niya yung mga cards. Okay. Yan, kung yan, nabalasan na niya. So, magbibigay ng 5 cards dito. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ay, sorry, 5 lang pala. Yan. Kasi sa video tutorial sa iba is 7 cards. But here sa instructions is 5 lang. But let's double check nga kung 5 lang talaga. We're checking 5 cards nga lang talaga. Here's the instructions. Okay. So, dapat yung light card is facing down and the dark side is facing upwards. Okay. So, same sa draw pile. So, kuha na tayo ng first one, the discard pile. Okay. Yan. So, check na natin. Player 1. Yon. Again, yan, dapat 5 cards. Again, paano laruin to, di ba? Check nyo, pwede yung kaparehas na number, pwede yung color, or yung symbol. Yan. But for this one, color red, any dito. So, pwede natin itong kunin. Sige, action card na muna kunin natin. Yan. So, action card, meaning, anong ibig sabihin nitong action card? So, the action card of this one is yan pinagkaiba nung regular card na uno and the flip card. Yan. When played, all cards flip to the opposite side, mild to wild, including the draw pile, discard pile, and player hands. This remains in play until another flip card is played. Oh, okay. So, meaning for this one, doon na tayo sa dark side. So, i-flip natin to. Flip. Flip. So, ito na yung gagamitin niya. And ito, likod na. So, dark side na po siya. So, meaning mas wild yung mga action nung dark side. Okay. So, si player 2 na. Okay. So, pwedeng 5 gamitin niya. Since 5 to, si discard file. Or pwedeng ito. Okay. So, for this one, sige, check na, kunin naman natin, sige, si 5 naman. Para hindi puro action. 5, so 4 na lang. Sorry, napakita ko na yung cards since para hindi nyo na maano. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan na flip-flip. So, for this one, pwedeng 5, pwedeng blue. So, blue tayo. So, since flip card na naman ang gagawin natin. Okay? Yon. So, I'm not sure if correct yung pag-flip ko kung lahat ganun. Pero better na lang ganyan gawin natin. Yan. Anyway, correct me if I'm wrong, highlighters. Kung may mga master ng Uno cards here, kindly comment down below para lahat ma-inform. At wait, ayusin ko lang yung camera. Wait, yan na. Okay. Players 2 turn. Okay. So, for this one, pwedeng any of the red one, but I'll choose this one. So, this is the skip card. Meaning, yung next player, hindi po siya maglalaro. So, ako ulit. Okay, so since red yan, okay, dalawa na lang. And dito, player 1, ito, red ulit. Player 2, oops. Player 1, yan. And player 4, since wala nang hindi na siya makakalagay sa discard pile, since blue yung hawak niya, number 3, number 4, kukuha ulit siya sa draw pile. Okay. Yan, nadagdagan na. Kalimutan pa rin ituro, ito yung hawak niya, di ba? So, ito yung kinuha niya. So, nauna siyang maging isa bago dito. So, kapag isa na lang po yung hawak niyong card, sisigaw kayo ng uno. Kasi kapag nangyari, may sumigaw na uno na ibang player, before ikaw magsabi, kukuha ka ng another 2 cards. Okay? Since kanina wala naman naka-notice, walang kukuha. Diba? Anyway, so yan. Ito na po yung turn ni player 2. Kukuha lang siya ng draw. Sa draw pile. So, since ito lang yung card ni player 1, kuha ulit siya. Yun, red. So, si player 2 again. Since blue, red ang nasa discard pile, kuha ulit siya. Oh, puro blue. So, si 1. Oops. Ay, wait. Mali. Ayan. So, mali yung turn niya. So, isipin nyo na lang hindi nangyari yun. So, since may red siya, then may blue, pwedeng ito. Okay. So, this is the card, the reverse card. Meaning, kung pa-clockwise po yung game, pa-counterclockwise na po yung mangyayari. Ganon. But, since dalawa lang kayo, siya pa rin yung next. Alam naman sa right side, wala naman sa right. Ganon pa din siya. Okay, so walang silbi yun. At isa bawasan yung card nyo. And sa next one, blue, kukuha ulit siya. Another blue. Sa 1, oops, blue. Sa 2, wala ko. Padami na padami. Sa 1 ulit, Okay. Sa 2, okay. So, symbol ito. Walang red, walang kuha ulit siya. Yun, pwede na itong itira later. But for this one, since may same symbol, pwedeng ito. Yay! Yan. So, next one. Face mo yung camera. So, ito na yung gagamitin niya. So, for this one, the action of this one is draw one card. So, si next player, kukuha po siya ng one card dito. At mawawalan siya ng turn. Okay? So, that's the action card for this one. Yan. And for this one, since wala siyang green, pwede niyang gamitin to. So, ito for any cards. Okay? Yan. So, siya yung magsasabi din, I'm not pretty sure, tama ba? Pwede mong sabihin kung ano yung next color na ine-next mo. So, let's see. So, basahin lang natin para sure yung bigay natin na instruction. Yan. Matches with any card, no matter what is on the discard pile. When played, you can choose the next color to play. Okay. So, pwede sabihin ni player 2, color red. Ay, walang red. Kuha na naman si player 1. Okay. So, si player 2 na next, wala ring red, kuha na naman siya, o diba? Sa kanya rin bumagsak. Player 1 ulit. So, for this one, sabi color red. Since ito, pwede niyang gamitin to. Since for any color, then ito, wildcard to. At natatandaan nyo, anong purpose nito ni Anya? Ang purpose po ni Anya, pwede niyang i-pick yung cards ni player 2. At siya ang magsasabi kung anong next na color. Okay. So, sasabihin niya syempre color red para kumuha ng draw card dito. Kasi pag sinabi niya blue, baliwala yung action card, di ba? Okay, so since tapos na mag-draw ng card si player 2, next na player 1 ulit. So, ang sinabi niya color red, di ba? Since wala ring red, talo ka din, kuha ka ulit. Yun. So, ganun po siya. Then, for this one, red pa rin to. Red, kuha ulit siya. Then, next. Since red pa rin, kuha pa rin siya. O, diba? Medyo matagal yung game. So, since red pa rin siya, kuha na naman. Since red pa din, kuha na naman. O, next na naman, o, diba? Mga 1 hour natin lalaruin yung una na to. Anyway. Hala, walang red card. Hala siya. Anyway, since madami na to, anihin natin? Tawag dito? Gawin natin, dire-diretso lang tayo. Then, observe lang highlighters, ha? Yan, kung pansin nyo, dagdag lang ako ng dagdag. Yun. Hindi, wala pa rin red. Ayan, meron ng mga wild card. Okay. So, red yan. Pak. So, yan. Natagalan tayo kay Anya. Grabe. So, ito naman, yung wild card na to, any color ulit. Yan. So, pwede niya kasing gamitin to. Sabihin niya na, hindi niya na nakikita yung card, ha? Sasabihin ni player 1, color yellow. So, may yellow, lagyan niya to. Kasi player 1 ulit, either yellow or number 2. Diba? Or number 2 na lang. Okay? So, si player 2, green. Player 1 ulit, green. Player 2, 4. Player 1, yellow. Yan. Player 2, yellow. So, wala nga purpose tong reverse card since dalawa lang player. Ang reverse again kung clockwise, magiging counterclockwise. So, kung left na yung next turns, magiging right na yung next turn. Okay. So, si player 1, next. So, ito na lang. Then, next one. Boom. So, stop or skip. So, meaning si player 1, hindi siya makaka-skip. So, next one. So, gagamitin niya. Boom. So, flip na naman. Yun. Alam niya na. Yan yung fifth card. So, mas matagal nga siya laruin. Diba? So, ito na yung card niya. So, ito na. Player 1 turn na. So, gamitin niya itong boom. 1. 1 or blue naman to. Blue. Oop. So, 1 na naman. So, pwedeng 2 or blue. Blue. Reverse. So, wala naman silbi yan. So, next one. Oh, blue. Here, plus 2. So, meaning si 1 kukuha ng another 2 cards. Hello. So, wala siyang turn. So, next one. 2 or yan, meron siya ito. Plus 2. Same symbol. Plus 2, plus 2. Kuha na naman siya ng 2 cards. Diba? Naubos natin yung draw pile. Then, si player 2, gamitin niya ito. So, for this one, medyo ngayon ko lang na-encounter ulit. Sino nga ba siya? Skip everyone. When played, all players are skip. Player returns to whoever laid down this card. Okay. So, here's the skip card. Skip everyone. Ito, skip lang to, skip everyone. Since isa lang din ang player ng ano mo, so, isa lang. Okay? Kasi isa, next player lang ito, lahat. So, since next one, siya ulit, player 2, wildcard na lang. So, sabihin niya, hindi niya nakikita to color pink. Okay. Color pink na yan, or 2. So, ito na, ano to? Tingnan natin kung ano to. Ano purpose nito? Kung magagamit natin itong wildcard na to. Parang wala Ayan, ito pala. Wild draw card. Forces the next player to draw until they get your chosen color and lose their turn. This card can only be played if you have no cards matching the color on top of the discard pile. Okay. So, gagamitin nyo to, like wala kang 2, wala kang pink, gamitin mo to. So, si player 1, sabihin mo, kunin niya color green. Yan Wait, ayusin ulit natin camera mo, bababa. Color green. Kukuha lang siya ng cards sa draw pile hanggang makuha niya yung color green. Pag wala, dagdag lang na siya ng dagdag. Okay, so orange na kuha niya. So, naubusan tayo ng draw pile. Ang gagawin nyo, kukunin nyo ngayon si discard file. Yan, pwede nyo balasahin ulit. Then, make sure, light side, face up, kasi gamit nyo dark. Okay? So, again, hindi siya titigil hanggang hindi nakukuha yung green. Ayun, tumigil na nakuha niya ng green. Then, player 2 ulit. So, syempre, hindi pa pala tayo nakapaglagay dito. So, green or leaf. So, wala. Player 2, kuha ulit. Player 1, green. Player 2, green. Player 1, green. Player 2, 4. Player 1, 5. I mean, orange. Player 2, orange. So, meaning for this one, si player 2 po ang nanalo. Yan. Medyo mahaba tuloy itong video na to for the game kasi, di ba, baliktaran yung cards. Siyempre, nag-iba yung momentum. Plus, sabi nga, mas wild yung card. Okay. So, that's how you play the Uno Leaf card. Grabe. Ang haba tuloy ng game na yun kasi ganun pala laruin yung Uno Leaf, no? Actually, mas siya, complicated dun sa regular cards. But, it's more fun and challenging. Diba? Kasi ang dami nangyayari, may flip pa, then mas maraming action cards. Yan, diba? And hopefully, natutunan nyo kung paano laruin yung Uno Flip. And if ever na medyo naguluhan kayo dito, better watch the first one. Okay? So anyway, this is the part 2 and watch out since part 3 is coming very soon. Okay? For the Uno All Wild naman yung next natin. Yee. Isa-isa lang tayo. Parang hindi kayo masyado mahirapan intindihin. Anyway, that's all for now, highlighters, and see you once again on the next highlight. Bye!